Hannover Messe is the biggest manufacturing conference in the world. It's very important for us to be here and connect with our global manufacturing community to talk about a more efficient and resilient supply chain.
When we think about sustainability, we have three things in mind: carbon, water, and waste. And so really looking at how do we reduce all of these, it's through the mean of data. Right now, we can have up to a petabyte of data being generated per day from a smart factory. Only 1% of it is really used. So if we start connecting this data, contextualizing it with Microsoft tools and solutions, then we can start really making a difference.
I'm super excited about our presence here in Hannover. We have 30 different exhibits, and 80 of them are run by partners. So you can see that partners are really like the core of what we do. The overall theme over everything we're doing in Hannover this year is that the industrial metaverse. That's kind of the overarching story. And what we're trying to do with the industrial metaverse is to help our manufacturing customers along the entire value chain. So it starts with how they invent, develop and design new products, how they manufacture them, how they run the supply chain, and then also how they sell. So it's kind of really the whole end-to-end story. AI is going to be huge in the future of manufacturing. I think the company is making a massive bet on AI, and I think it will impact manufacturing in so many different ways. That's also how we define the industrial metaverse. The industrial metaverse, to a large extent, is Industry 4.0 plus AI, and then the whole immersion.
Lastly, there's also an education element for us, of course, to engage with and look at the next generation of workforce, what kind of technology and skills are needed, and specifically to focus on diversity and inclusion and to bring a more diverse workforce into manufacturing, hosting a panel discussion about women in manufacturing.